Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to round one corner in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. Create a new layer, right click, rounded rectangle tool, shape without fill or use radius 20 or 30 pixels, press enter, then click anywhere, drag rectangle or use fixed square size. Then again right click on your mouse, rectangle tool, select subtract front shape and draw remove rounded corners. Then press Ctrl T, resize anywhere or hold shift for fixed size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.